Snowstorm 20. In the heights of the storm. That plow truck. Outside in the midst of the snowstorm. Midst of the snowstorm, we just through the spring here. That's what it look like. You can see the wind is whipping up the snow around the surface. Is trying to make their way home or way able to work, but we can see what this snowstorm is like. that is it, snowstorm, live from your studio Spring Garden One. And of course, I'm bringing it to you live and in living color of the snow. Plow truck once more. As I said to you, this is it. Another plow truck here. Stay clean. The midst of the snowstorm, yes truly, Spring Garden One, bringing it live to you. The snow. There are the snow on the ground. Entire sidewalk is laid with snow. Street as well. As you can see, the snow is whipping around. Whipping around. At least, at least 6 inches of snow. 6 to 8 inches of snow. Yes, okay, right now I am not standing on the road, I'm on the sidewalk, and you can see, look, a better idea. I have a better idea of what we're doing right now. Alright, let's see how much. That is the concrete right down there. The entire brush and straight down. The entire brush was covered. So this is a brush too. Test it with this one as well. So it was covered right here. So that's how much of snow is out there on the ground right now. There you have it. Live from your truly. Giving you full insight. The wind that is whipping up on the ground, whipping up all over as well. So you can see the snow is blowing. Blowing. The wind is just blowing the snow in the south-west direction. Live on the ground, live in the snowstorm. Yes, truly. Yeah, that is it, guys. The snow whipping up around in the wind. Yeah. Got it. Twirling around. Just spinning out. The road is still snow.